The future of communication is quantum secure. At QInsight Labs Pvt. Limited, we innovate in quantum communication and sensing, building the secure technologies of tomorrow, today. We are a research-driven technology company, advancing quantum communication, machine learning education, and secure technologies. Our mission is to transform complex science into practical products, patents, and training platforms adopted globally. Our vision is to be a global leader in quantum secure communication and education. Our mission is to develop cutting-edge products, safeguard innovation through patents, and bring advanced science into classrooms, labs, and industries worldwide. QInsight Labs is powered by innovation. Our patents span quantum spectral key distribution, disturbance-based eavesdropper detection, and robust quantum communication with adaptive photon counting. We pioneered reinforcement learning for state discrimination, built photon counting receivers surpassing the Hellstrom limit, and developed GAN-based QKD frameworks that set new standards in secure communication. Our product portfolio bridges theory and practice. VisualQKD Pro is the complete quantum key distribution learning suite. Our QKD Training Hardware Kits bring hands-on quantum experiments into classrooms and labs. And VisualML Lab makes machine learning intuitive and engaging for learners at every level. Through collaborations with universities and research labs, partnerships with incubators, and official distribution by Boolean Microsystems, QInsight ensures global reach, trusted support, and lasting impact. QInsight Labs transforms frontier research into real-world innovation, shaping the secure communication systems and innovators of tomorrow.